Now guys, let's see what is Azure ML Studio. Azure Machine Learning Studio is a cloud-based IDE, which is integrated development environment provided by Microsoft. It enables data scientists, machine learning engineers, and developers to design, train, and deploy machine learning models at scale. So this provides an user-friendly interface. It supports both beginner-friendly. It provides some features like drag and drop features and advanced coding capabilities for building ML solutions. So this is about Azure Machine Learning Studio. And to answer the second question, so why is Azure ML Studio trending right now? There are more number of answers which we can point it out, but I'll just select some few of the pointers. Let's see. Give a minute. Okay. Let's see why is Azure ML Studio trending now. So first thing, as we can see, it's an ease of use. So right now, this also Azure Machine Learning Studio supported from Microsoft, provides drag and drop interface. It makes easy for beginners to get started with machine learning without needing extensive coding knowledge. And for the people who are advanced users who prefer codings, they can use like Python and R very easily. And it also helps with automating model selections and hyperparameter tuning. And then, as you know, since it is provided from Microsoft, it provides with a good amount of opportunity in terms of scalability. So it's being a cloud platform that allows for scalable training and deployment, supporting large datasets and complex models. And it also integrates with the Azure ecosystem. So that is also one of the plus point. And Azure ML Studio provides collaborative tools that enable teams to work together in a building and deploying models. And you can set up your end-to-end pipelines here. From data preparation to model deployment, it offers a complete solution for managing the entire machine learning lifecycle. And for automation purpose, it provides automated ML, which can automatically select the best model, tune its parameters, saving time and effort. And nextly, how is Azure ML Studio is used? In order to know how Azure ML Studio is used, we need to get into its Azure ML Studios and let's explore like what it can does in our coming videos. Thank you.